It began humbly in a broom closet of Mick's Lounge, where John H. Schnatter, inspired by his early experiences in the pizza business, decided to start his own pizzeria despite initial setbacks and challenges. Chapter 1 details John's early days, starting with his job washing dishes at Rocky's Sub Pub and later gaining experience in pizza making. His determination led him to dream of starting his own pizzeria, influenced by his experiences at Greek's Pizzeria during his college years. The name, Papa John's, itself was suggested by a dorm mate, setting the stage for his future venture. Chapter 2 sees John transforming Mick's Lounge into a successful bar through his entrepreneurial skills, but he eventually decides to pursue his dream of a pizzeria. He converts a broom closet at Mick's into a makeshift pizzeria, facing initial challenges in gaining customers. Resorting to unconventional methods like dumpster diving for customer data from Domino's, he successfully kickstarts Papa John's. Chapter 3 marks the pivotal moment when Papa John's moves from the broom closet to its first official location next to Mick's, funded by a $40,000 loan. Despite personal tragedy with the passing of his father, John pushes forward with determination. The first location's success leads to rapid expansion into neighboring towns, showcasing John's strategic vision of growing outward from established locations. Chapter 4 highlights the early successes and challenges as Papa John's establishes itself in the competitive pizza market. John's aggressive expansion tactics prove effective initially, although entering larger markets like Louisville proves more difficult. Despite setbacks, John's dedication to quality and taste sets Papa John's apart. Chapter 5 details Papa John's rise to prominence in the late 1980s and early 1990s, expanding rapidly across the United States and eventually internationally. The company's IPO in 1993 marks a significant milestone, catapulting it into the spotlight of Wall Street and paving the way for further growth and innovation. Chapter 6 delves into internal challenges as John navigates ownership disputes and strategic disagreements with early partners. His bold move to regain majority control secures the company's future, allowing Papa John's to continue its upward trajectory.